Hi, this is Keith All, and welcome back. Today we're going to continue on with our one-page website with the Builder All Cheetah Builder. And now we're going to finish up on this panel or section, the About section. So we're going to add the elements over here, which are going to be these elements right here. So let's go ahead and add them. Let's first add a box element. Scroll this up here. Let's bring this back up here. Okay, let's edit this box element. Let's make it transparent. Go to background settings. This lower one right here. Okay, now let's add some text elements. Let's go over to the finish site and let's copy this. Neutral paragraph. This is the font name 25 and line height of 1. Let's make this left justified. Text color is going to be white. .25 font. Double click in here. Okay, now let's go over here. This item right prior to this text is actually a text emoji. However, I don't know the name of it. So right now I'm just going to click in there. I'm going to highlight it, copy it. Let's open up a new browser window. We'll paste it in the address bar. Click enter. And now it says the name of this text emoji is Sparkles. So when you do it, just go ahead and type in your search engine, whatever it may be, text emoji, and then after that Sparkles, and it should come up. And if not, it's found at this website here. It's called emojipedia.org/sparkles. And then all you have to do is come down here, click on copy, come back to your Cheetah Builder, double click in the text element, put your cursor at the beginning, put a space, and then copy it. Control V on a PC. And then you have that. Okay? So let's go ahead and click on Save. That's fine. Close. Now let's add in a line element here. It's going to be a horizontal line. Let's click on that. Here it is. Drag it into the box element. So when you do that, when you move the box element, it moves along with it. Let's go back to the finished one. Let's see. Let's edit this. The size of it, the width is 60, which is from left to right, the width. And this will be the border. We're going to change the height of the line, which is going to be set at 5, and the color is going to be the hex code 8 F as in Frank 55 S F as in Frank and 5. Copy that. Let's go over here. The lines, the size is 60. Let's close out this property. Let's go down to the border. The size is 5. And then the color, we just paste that in there. So now we have that. Let's go back over here. Now let's get this text element. I'm double clicking in it, highlighting it. 19 and 1.4. Okay, 19 and 1.4. Let's go over here. Let's go to Add, Elements, hit Return, Text. Size 19. It's going to be left justified. Neutral. Change the text color to white. Line height 1.4. Okay. Let's find out what the box size of this is. Let's go back here. Click on the box element. Click on Edit Element, the pencil icon. And the size of that is 410 by 148. There we go. Now let's align these elements up. Let's see how it looks on the other one. Okay. Okay, I'm using Shift. I'm holding down the Shift key on a PC. Click the element. Continue holding down the Shift key. Click the next element. Do the same thing. Continue holding down the Shift key. Click in it, and then let's align it vertically. Okay, now all the elements are in line with each other vertically. Let's see how it looks over here. Okay. Okay, let's move this box up just a bit. We're going to click on this box element, drag it within this box. Now if I click on the outer box element, if I move it, everything should be moving with it, which is what I want. So let's realign this. Okay, let's click on Save. Now, see how this is. Let's see that. I'm just clicking on a box element and then using my all my arrow keys to adjust it. Okay. Okay, in the next video we're going to finish this up. We're going to find a quick way to clone this and copy this element, copy it down, and then just change the text. So I'll see you on the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It really helps out this channel. And remember, again, I will always say this, you're increasing your skill set in this area. There's a lot of need for developing websites in the marketplace, and if you just find a few clients that you can help create a website for them and then manage it for them over a period of time, you could also get a monthly hosting fee from them for doing so. And I did create a series of videos on my YouTube channel on tools that you could earn money with the Builderall platform. So you could look for that also. Thanks again for stopping by. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.